Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, can I ask you, what exactly is holding you back from making all those dreams of yours finally come true? What can I help you with today to help take your life to a higher level? If you and me can work together and get your next big adventure started, drop me a text message on 07801 543 515, or why not book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon, but first, here is today's quote. All things are difficult until they become easy. Now, nothing worth having has ever come easy, has it? But to get to that stage, you need to get on with things. It's always hardest at the beginning of anything you try, but once you start, once you learn how it all works, then you can start to make some progress whilst learning to do anything you want along the way. Good luck with your next big adventure.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.